Hey guys, it's Malini here back again with another video, and today we'll be making Pom Thumb. So we take our shaker, put it in place, get 2 ounces of gin, so you have to add 30 ml of simple syrup, which I will be eyeballing it. So we add in our freshly squeezed lemon. So we drop in some ice. And then give it a nice shake. Take your glass, top it up with ice. Make sure you top it up. Yeah. Give it a pour. Finally top it up with some pomegranate juice. And finally take your garnish and just drop it on the top. Cheers!